how the filter end caps are welded by the infrared welding machine. First, we place the two end caps onto the corresponding molds. Then, we place the filter tubes onto the fixture. With both hands, we press the start switch and the infrared welding machine starts its welding work. The infrared electrical stove starts heating the two end caps. And after a few seconds, the two hot plates go to work melting the ends of the filter tube. After the set time has elapsed, the two hot plates, the two end cap molds, and the infrared electrical stove are returned to home position. The filter tube and the two end cap molds are run to the welding area. They begin to fuse with each other. After the welding and curing time, the end cap molds are returned to home position, and the filter end caps are thus welded.